Good morning, folks. Jim Langs here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Monday, the 3rd of September. Bernanke, he failed to deliver on Friday with regards to QE3. Nothing was forthcoming, but he did sound very dovish. We've got the non-farm payrolls coming up this Friday in the US unemployment data. So it may be that the next FOMC meeting on September 12th, 13th will be a day when we actually do get some resolution on economic stimulus in the US. So the markets, they're currently fairly range bound, and I think that may be the case for the remainder of this session anyway, given it's the US Labor Day holiday. And ahead of the major data, we've got quite a lot of data coming out later on this week, interest rate decisions from the ECB and the Bank of England, and we've got all the PMI data as well coming out of Europe and the States. And then, of course, the unemployment non-farm payroll data on Friday. Elsewhere, the Aussie and the Kiwi, they're both a little bit lower this morning after the weekend's Chinese PMI data came out weaker than expected at 49.2. The pressure is going to remain lower there. And we've got the RBA meeting tomorrow, although no change is expected from them. So I think in the meantime, the Aussie particularly will stay under a bit of pressure. So right now we've got the euros trading around 125.70, cables at 158.70, dollar yen's at 78.30, and the dollar Swiss is at that's at 95.5, 95.40 area. The Aussie, that's opened up with a gap lower. It finished quite well on Friday, as did the Kiwi. The Aussie finished at 103.40 area, and the Kiwi around 80.35, but they both gap lower after the Chinese data. Aussie's currently trading at 102.80 and the Kiwis at 80 cents. That's really about it today. As I say, I think it's going to be a range-bound session in the absence of New York. But if you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the market, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember, as usual, any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all. Have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.